In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Fortnite on Oculus Quest 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Fortnite is not available natively on any Oculus Quest headset, so it is not available on the Oculus Quest 1, Quest 2, or Quest 3. You are still able to play it, however, the experience isn't going to be a native VR experience. So if that's all you wanted to know, then sadly it isn't going to be available. However, there is a major workaround that does allow you to simulate virtual reality. So for this, you will need to connect the Quest 2 to your PC. Make sure that you have the latest version of the Oculus app, which you can find on their official website. And then to connect your Quest 2 to your PC, you can either use a link cable, which I highly recommend because it is going to eliminate latency, or if you prefer, you can use AirLink. AirLink will rely on a strong wireless connection, so only use AirLink if you don't have a strong cable or if you really want to do this wirelessly. However, it can introduce a lot of latency. After the Quest 2 has been connected to your PC and it appears on the Quest app, then what you have to do is set something up like virtual desktop. So this will allow you to simulate a virtual reality space, and as you can see, you will have your game running on this main screen that you use inside of the virtual experience. And then, as you might imagine, all that you have to do is run Fortnite on your PC while inside of virtual desktop in VR. Like I said before, sadly, this isn't going to be a true native experience. However, it is going to be the best way to simulate Fortnite in virtual reality. So you launch virtual desktop, you connect the Quest to your PC, and you launch Fortnite. Then, on the screen that appears on the virtual desktop, you will be able to play Fortnite simulating VR. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Fortnite on Oculus Quest 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.